Hello students, I am Nitika and today we will be studying tenses. Now tenses to begin with. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. What are the birds doing? Birds are flying. Where does Reena live? Reena lives in apartment. What did Jay do in the morning? Jay goes to school. What did Jay do in the evening? Jay plays with his friends in the evening. Now in English grammar, tense. We will study about tenses. Okay. In the last class, we have learned about the verb. What was verb? It was action word which shows the action. ठीक, वर्ब एक्शन दिखाता था. वर्ब क्या दिखाता था? एक्शन बताता था, कोई काम करना ये बताता था ना. लेकिन व्हाट इज टेंस? इट शोज टाइम, टाइम ऑफ दैट एक्शन वर्ड, किस टाइम में वो वर्क किया गया. ठीक है, क्लियर. नाउ व्हाट डज टेंस डू? टेंस शोज टाइम. टेंस क्या करता है? टाइम बताता है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हुआ था और क्या होगा. आज आप ये जो समय है वो क्या है? हमारा प्रेजेंट है. वेयर आर वी? वी आर इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम एंड yesterday was our past and coming tomorrow will be our future. Clear? And in this chapter we will study about past indefinite tense, that is simple present. You can you can say it simple past. And present indefinite tense, you can say it simple present and present continuous tense. So let's start with past indefinite tense. You have learned that verbs tell us what someone or something does. ठीक, verbs also tell us about the time when an action happens. This is known as tense of the verb. क्या बताता है? Tell us about the time, time when an action happens. The action can take place in present, past and future. Okay, it can take present in the place in present, past and future. So verb have three tenses: present, past and future. We use simple present tense to talk about first something in the present moment. Clear? Things that happens regularly, statement that are always true. You can have some examples. Something in the present moment: please give me some water. ठीक है. It is very hot outside. This all things are happening in the present. Okay. Things that happens regularly: we go for dance practice every Thursday. Okay, this is done every day. So this is also a simple present tense. John reads for half an hour after dinner. He do this work daily. So this is also simple present tense. Statement that are always true. You can have we can have example that Indians love tea. This is true. Sun rises in the east. That is true. So these all are. 7 is an odd number. These all statements are what? They all are true statements. Okay, so they all are simple present tense. Clear? Now नाउन में जब हम नाउन में जब प्लूरल एस लगा देते हैं या ईएस लगा देते हैं, लाइक बस का बसेस, बॉयज का बॉय का बॉयज. ठीक है. बट वर्ब में जो सिंगुलर फॉर्म होता है उसमें एस या ईएस लगा रहता है. एंड जब प्लूरल में बदलते हैं तो टू मेक वर्ब plural we remove s or es. Clear? To make verb we remove s or es. Now क्या बोल रहा? In this noun, bird, the plural form is birds, broom, brooms, camel, camels. ठीक है? To make subject plural we add s. ठीक है? Noun में तो ये सब s लगा हुआ है. You can see this. Okay? And to make verb plural we remove s. Initially verbs are in singular form with s or es. Like John speaks the truth. Okay? Speaks is your singular. Sorry, singular form. Huh? And John is John is singular person. तो उसके साथ हमेशा वर्ब का singular form ही use होगा. Clear? Now with singular form he, she, it के साथ हमेशा s is added to the verb. Like he talks, s is added here. She laughs, s is added. But when they, we, I, you is used, तो उसके साथ no s will be added. Like they talk, we laugh, no s is added here. Okay? With this verb, no s will be added. Okay? In this slide, we will study about present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to show that an action is going on in the present moment. The action which is going on in the present moment is your present continuous tense. Example, Ruchi is talking to the vegetable seller. She is talking. The children are cleaning the park. The children are what? They are cleaning the park. Is that clear? For the present continuous tense, we use is, am, are and add ing to the verb. Here with is, am, are, ing form of the verb is added. Okay? I am reading a story. ठीक है? Here what is used? Am plus read plus ing form of verb. Palash is listening to music. Is plus listen plus ing form of the verb. With I, am is used. With you, are is used. With he is used, and so on. Clear? In the present continuous tense, the action is ongoing or still going on, and hence continuous. The present continuous tense is used to talk about the action that are happening at this current moment. Okay? Like subject I am watching television. Here I is your subject, and is, am, are, here am will be used. Verb ing form, that watching is used, and rest of the sentence that television. Clear? And so on. You are watching television. With you, are is used, and he is watching television. With he is used, as I have just told you. Good to know. Do not use the present continuous tense to talk about action that occur regularly. Use the simple present tense. In the previous slide, I told you about this thing. I am playing my flute for 2 hours every day. This is wrong. I play my flute for 2 hours every day. You will not use ing form here. Now in this slide, we will study about the simple past tense. Okay? We use simple past tense to talk about an action that started in the past and is already over. You all know that already the thing which is over is your simple past. We went to the museum yesterday. Went is your past form, है ना? Alice wrote a beautiful poem. Wrote is your wrote a beautiful poem. This is your past tense. James lived in India for many years. This is also your past tense. Went is the past tense of verb go. Go, went, gone. Wrote is the past tense of the verb write. Lived is the past tense of the verb live. Okay. This is your verb first form, second form and third form. And in simple past, we always use verb second form of verb second form. Okay. Simple past tense. In the simple past tense, the action is simply mentioned and understood to take place in the past. The action started and ended sometime in the past, but time may or may not be mentioned. I hope it is clear. Now, whatsoever the subject would be, but we will always use verb second form. Clear? Like I played cricket yesterday. Played is your second form of verb. In all this sentence, you can see verb second form is used. So always keep this in mind. Verb second form. I hope this is clear to you. Please do let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.